Welcome back, everyone. 5:15 and feeling alive on this hump day. Thanks for keeping it here. Looking across the triad this morning. Yeah, if this heat and humidity is killing you, unfortunately, it's only going to get worse as we move into this back half of the work week. 60s and 70s across the board, including 71 here in Greensboro, down to 68 in High Point. Looks like 70 on the dot in Davidson County out in Lexington. Remember, we are also dealing with some patchy, dense fog, especially in the foothills at the moment. Do want to watch out for that as you head out the door this morning. Looks like a stray shower starting to move across. It looks like into Caswell and then Person counties just north of the Triangle. Overall, though, a lot of us do remain dry, at least in terms of nothing coming down from the sky. Again, it is very, very muggy this morning. Most of the moisture we're picking up on radar, though, appears to be staying to our north, at least for now. Now, heading over the next couple of days, a big reason why it's going to be so hot. Remember, the hottest air of the year is just around the corner, and a big reason why high pressure down to our south and east. That's going to fuel very, very warm air coming in off the Gulf. Not only is it going to be warm, it's also going to be humid. We're talking about 90s, maybe even mid to upper 90s for Thursday and Friday. It really depends on how much sunshine we see, and also another thing that could threaten those temperatures, scattered thunderstorms, thanks to a cold front pushing in from the west. Now, this is not for today. This is not for tomorrow. This is for Friday. A level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather virtually across the entirety of North Carolina. You're seeing that level 2 right along the Virginia border into the north. So Patrick County, maybe want to watch out even more for some strong storms as we head into the final day of the work week. For now, though, our weather impact alert, that is just for the heat. Heat index values approaching 100 degrees or more. Wouldn't be shocked if we see a heat advisory Thursday and Friday. Nothing issued just yet. And remember, it is summer. This is not unheard of. We can handle this. It's just, remember, this is going to be the hottest air of the year, and this is going to be our first real crack at triple-digit heat index values. Again, just want to make sure that you are aware of that. Take it easy. Stay hydrated. Plenty of indoor breaks. You know how to deal with this summer heat. Now, as we head into this afternoon, isolated storms really at best. Again, a lot of us do remain dry, but keep in mind with increasing heat and humidity, we have more fuel for those thunderstorms as they begin to rise up in the afternoons. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. Could see some lower 80s, though, depending on the cloud cover and, again, when and where those storms fire up. Another mild and muggy start for our Thursday, getting in the afternoons there. Again, those storms bubbling up like bubbles in a boiling pot of water there. They're going to be there. We don't know exactly where, but we know those storm threats will be hanging around Thursday into our Friday as well. And look how hot it's going to be. And remember, those are actual temperatures factoring in the humidity. Going to feel more like 100, maybe as hot as 105. So that's why we have those weather impact alert days for our Thursday and Friday. This is a cold front moving in, though, as we head into the weekend. So slightly cooler and drier for our Saturday and Sunday. Still remaining hot, though. More storm chances early next week.